Alrighty then, so manual sharing, very similar to sharing rules, but it's on a record by record basis, and it is designed for end users with the sharing button on the page layout. And it's available to record owners and those above them in the role hierarchy, anybody with full access, and also admins. Now, in terms of who we can manually share a record with, well, we have the same usual suspects from criteria-based sharing rules, plus we can share with 3 other categories of individual users, so that could be customer or partner users, manager groups, and manager subordinate groups. And we'll look at a few more specifics around sharing for external users in the next episode. But manual shares are an option of last resort in my opinion. They're not scalable, they're tricky to report on, and also, and this is really important, they all get deleted when the record owner changes. Okay, so that was manual sharing. Let's move on to profiles and permission sets.